Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make air fryer pasta chips, which is super easy to make and taste delicious. So let's get started. Add about 6 cups of water into a pot. Also add salt to taste and let the water come to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, I'm going to be adding 16 ounces of pasta. Cook the pastas al dente while stirring in between. Once the pastas are done, drain out all the water. I'm going to be dividing these pastas in 2 equal parts, as I'm going to cook one part in air fryer and the second part in the oven. In one part, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to be adding some fresh oregano and basil from my garden. You can add any seasoning as per your taste. Next, I'm adding some mixed herb, chili flakes. I'm going to be adjusting the salt and a tablespoon of olive oil. Give everything a good mix. Spray the air fryer basket with some oil and transfer the pastas into the air fryer basket. Make sure to spread the pastas evenly and transfer the air fryer basket into the air fryer. Next, I'm going to be set the air fryer at 380° Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. Air fry for 14 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through. Add more time as needed in 2 minutes increments. After 14 minutes, as you can see, our pastas are done. Take out the basket and you can hear the sound. If you don't have air fryer, you can also make the pastas into the oven. For that, take pasta into a mixing bowl and I'm going to be adding some cajun seasoning, followed by some onion powder, garlic powder, some Parmesan cheese and olive oil. Also adjust some salt and give everything a good mix. Now spread all the pastas into a baking tray. Bake for 20 minutes, shaking the tray halfway through. Add more time as needed in 2 minutes increments. After 20 minutes, our pastas are ready. They are nice and super crunchy. I'm going to serve it with some ketchup today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, don't forget to hit like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.